Hello. So, over the year I've been making coin rings, I've never made a Russian ring. Don't ask me why. But I love this coin. I think I love it. It's a great coin. So I'm going to make a ring out of it. I could use a smaller punch. Yeah, a bit more detail. Yeah, I use a smaller punch. Oh, I nearly slipped up there. I put the right base in for the right punch. So yeah, I mean, it's nice. It's a nice coin. I know it's Russian, but there you go. My channel, I do what I want. Right, there you go. Hope you're all doing well. Mr. Wonderful is spotty dog as usual. Just been down the old, do a bit of shopping. Popped into my local watering hole. I dropped them off a glass clock. I made them a clock out of a bottle. Right, this is Big Bertha, which is a 20-ton hydraulic press. So you don't need one of these presses. You can do it with a hammer. But for the big, thick coins, it's a bit easier, you know. Right. Yeah, sorry about my table. It's full of glass again. I've been making stuff, you know. And you just can't keep it, you know, you can't keep it clean all the time. You're making stuff all the time. You know, there's glass there, there's glass there, there's glass there. But, you know, it is what it is. I am what I am. Right. How's that looking? Yeah, we've got some detail there, haven't we? Right, let us clean up the edge with Christy Burr. This should make a beautiful ring. And at the end of the day, that's what I do. I make coin rings. So this is today's ring. Yeah, I've been doing this for just over a year now, and this is the first Russian coin. I've had this for about 8 months, and I kept thinking, shall I? But yeah. I love the coin, so I'm making a ring out of it. Right, that's that. Do a touch more. Just a touch. That's better. Right, okie dokie. So let's show it a bit of affection with Bernie the fire starter. I think that's about it. Yeah, what do you reckon? I think that's good enough. Right, my cup, look at it, it's full of water. Makes a change, doesn't it? It's usually half empty. Right, let's dry it off. I'll put it in our little doming block. Yeah, it's going to have to be This side's sunny side up on the ring, isn't it? It's not a lot of some bloke with his the hole in his head. There you go. Hey, come on. No silly comments. Right. We'll get a little ball bearing. And we'll take this over to Big Red. Oh dear, I just have realised I haven't fixed Big Red down to the table. It's okay. It worked. So now you want one of these. These are 17-degree folding dice. Too small? Ooh, that ain't too bad. We'll put a bit of jollop in there. Bit of looby-loo. This just helps things move around a bit more nicely. We'll whack that in there. I think we'll get away with that. It's pretty sexy. Right, I'll go back to Big Red again. I'll give it a bit of the old one too. One, two. Right. How's it looking? Oh, it's looking pretty good. I don't need to sand it. You can see it's nice and clean. Yeah, that's good. So we'll warm it up again because it's quite a thick coin. Because to get it in view, wouldn't it? Stupid boy. Right, there we go. So, let's now go over to Spike, your friend and mine, new piece of kitchen roll. And we'll see how it performs. This is a ring stretcher, it stretches your ring. You give it a bit of a turn each time. This stretches the ring equally all the way around. I think this is going to be a stunning ring. Unless it splits. So far, so good. I think I'll give it a bit more love. It's a thick coin. And I'd rather be sure than, you know, push your luck too much. Right, I think that's more than sufficient. My ruler just fell on the floor. What I used for making my glass. Oh, this is still really hot. Let's get another bit of kitchen roll, shall we? Alright. I nearly forgot to take it back over there again. Yeah, that annealing, I mean, you got when you start doing this game, anneal, anneal, anneal. Right, what's that looking like? There you go. That is now touching. And it's more cone shaped now than bowed. So we now go down to the bottom end of spike. These are reduction dice. I think we're going to have to put Big Daddy in. There you go, there's a bit there. They'll put some jollop in there as well. Helps things smooth. Yep. I just use coconut oil, but you can use anything, you know. 10W40, whatever you want. Right. And you want it nice and square. And that is not square. That's still not square. It's hip to be square. That ain't too bad. You're just looking to straighten them walls up. And we're getting there. So it's Christmas. Maybe a touch more. Let me look with my beady eye. No, I'm pretty happy with that. Well, maybe a touch more. Just a touch. A little bit of a touch. Now I went too far. Unbelievable. Let's see, just turn it over and give it a little bit, not much. There you go. Them walls are now straight. Pardon me. Excuse me. Sorry, Bear. Oh, my camera needs tightening up. There you go. So, we'll get off some of the coconut oil. And we'll break out. Where is he? There he is. Dave the Dremel. And we'll take out Felton John. This is good. Everything's coming out except this. We're whacking Kate Bush. I just want to clean up that edge. Get the fire scale off it. This is like Corsair steel wool. This should come up rather nice. Yeah, that's good. So we'll take out, oh wait a minute, is there a lip in here? Yes, there is. Nice bit of glass. So we just want to cut out that lip. There's a little bit of a lip in there which gives you a full sizing. So Christy Bird does that job for you. Now that's okie dokie. So I will get one that's slightly more abrasive, only slightly. I just want to clean up the edge I cut out. I mean, this isn't the same as quad zero steel wool, but it ain't far off, you know. Right, let's now put in Felton John. Bit of polish. Bit there, bit there. Right, let's see what it looks like. Let's put in a different one. I need to replace these, they're getting a bit... I think I like it. All the rings in there I can adjust the size for you. You can even send me your own coins. Everybody that orders a ring gets the video as well, so you've got something forever. Ouch, it's getting a bit warm. Right, let's clean off the mingers, shall we? Yeah, if you're not subscribed, how about it? It costs you nothing. There's no obligation, I don't bother you. I don't make any money out of it. It just helps my channel grow. Well, hit the like button, that helps me as well. Got any comments? Drop them in the comments. Got any questions? Got anything you want me to do? Besides bugger off. Right, how's it looking? I'm going to slightly cleaner cloth. That's come out very nice. Alright, what we got? Let's have a look. Let's have a butcher's. It's nice. You got all the detail on the inside. That's why I used a kitchen roll. But yeah, it came out good. What size we got? We've got a size 12 and a quarter, 12 and a half, just over 12 and a half. I can make it bigger, I can make it smaller. Fits this finger absolutely spotty dog. Yeah, that's about it really. Hit the like button for me, show me some love. Hope you're all having a great day, and I hope you all have a great weekend. Keep smiling, and yeah, you know the rest. And I'll catch you on the next one. So bye bye.